I'm Marissa Barker, and I'm a marketing officer at the Guyana Marketing Corporation. So we are here at the Caribbean Investment Forum, and we're here to share information about our services and to tell you the opportunities in agro-processing, and also to promote some of the products that are made here in Guyana. So we have our Guyana shop, which has over 2,000 products there, and out here we have just a few. These are some of the export ready products. As you can see, they're very well packaged and labeled. They meet international standards. We have our Morning Glory cereal. This is a rice-based cereal. It's gluten-free, and it has like 10 essential vitamins inside of it. So it's a very nutritious morning breakfast that you can have. We also have herbal teas, like the lemongrass tea, which you know is good for your immune system.
So you can purchase right here now?
Yes, we have them since today is the final day.
Yes.
If you're interested in purchasing, you can purchase here.
Yes.
We also have the Costa cocoa sticks.
Okay.
This here is from Region 1 in Guyana.
Yes.
And they have very large cocoa farms in Region 1.
Oh, wow.
We also have chocolate that is coming out of Region 1 as well.
I didn't know that.
We have instant food like the pepper pot. As you know, pepper pot is Guyanese traditional Christmas dish.
Yes.
And it's a contribution of the indigenous people, but this here is the instant pepper pot. These are for people that are always on the go. You just put it in the microwave,
Yes.
and you can microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes,
Yes.
and it's ready to eat.
Wow.
We also have the instant cook-up.
Wow.
You
this
just
is
have to
cool.
boil this for about 5 minutes.
Really?
It has all of the ingredients already, the herbs, the spices, coconut milk, and everything.
Yes.
We also have honey from different parts of the region. We have the condiments like jams, jelly, dips, and also peanut butter. This peanut butter is coming out of Region 9 in
Yes,
Guyana.
I see.
And this peanut butter has, it doesn't have any preservative inside,
I see.
and that is why you will notice that the consistency is different from the ones that you
Normally
get in the
supermarkets, yeah.
supermarkets, and it's not that sweet either.
I see. I definitely have to cop a few things.
So this here is a new product.
Yes.
This is the sweet pepper jelly,
I see.
and this you can use it to, like if you want to use it to bake cake, you can use it as a centering. You put
Really?
it in the middle of the cake. Yeah, and you can also use it, eat it with
Like
crackers
jelly
and so
infused
on.
cake.
Yeah.
I see. Like sponge cake, fruit cake type. Yeah, I see. I see.
We also have gluten-free flours. So we have sweet potato, we have plantain, we have cassava,
I see.
and we also have edo flours. And we also have, this is the Guyana School of Agriculture.
GSA,
Their
I see.
Smarty Baby Porridge Mix, and their the actual porridge mix. This is a very powerful porridge mix.
What kind of porridge?
So this has this have plantain, cassava, sweet potato, and edo.
Oh wow.
Yes, so this is very
This is
powerful.
like a provision porridge.
Yeah.
I see. Then you got cassava bread on it.
Yes, we have flavored cassava bread, and we also have the original cassava bread, the plain one,
Yeah.
and we have
Coconut.
coconut flour and the desiccated coconut, which is good for putting on your dessert like cheesecake and so on as a topping.
I see. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yes, these are our spices and some seasoning, and we also have some local snacks.
I see. Right.
These are the plantain chips, and we also have a different flavor, the sour cream and onion flavor.
Wonderful.
And this is also new, the
Cheese
cheese
straw.
straw,
Yeah, packaged.
beautifully packaged.
Yes, nicely done.
For here, As
Gotta
you know,
have the pepper
Guyana,
sauce.
yes, we have from hot to very flavorful pepper sauce. We also have a variety of achar. We have tamarind and mango. And this here is a very unique product.
Barbecue
This is the
sauce.
barbecue sauce, but they come in very different flavors.
Made in Guyana.
Yes, made in Guyana. We have ginger, garlic.
Yes.
We also have soursop,
Yeah, wow.
pineapple,
So you could flavor up your barbecue.
and tamarind.
Yeah. Give it a tangy. That's interesting. Wow.
And we also not only have cassava casrib, but we also have coconut casrib that is coming out of the Cameroon. And
Seasonings.
recently we've been having a lot of new persons coming out with skincare lines.
I see.
So we have like hair oils, body oil, we have body scrub,
So you got some soaps
facial
here.
soaps, and even scented coconut oil. This here is the crab oil. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about this, but crab oil is good for muscle pain, and it's also good if you have like eczema or any injury to the skin.
I
It helps
see.
to heal very fast.
I see. So you could rub your skin with crab oil.
Yes, it's also like a natural repellent. Like if you're traveling out of town
Yeah.
to maybe a hinterland area where there's lots of mosquitoes,
Yes.
it works as a natural repellent as well.
And then this is skincare. Wonderful. Alcohol.
Not forgetting wines, we have various wines as well.
Yes.
We have jamun, plum, sorrel. We have coffee wine, which is new.
Wonderful. It's Amarissa.
Yes.
Thank you so very much. This is
Thank you.
wonderful.
And besides these products, GMC also offer agribusiness development services,
I see.
marketing services. We also do refrigerated trucking.
Yeah.
We also do cold storage, and we have a central packaging facility where exporters process their fresh commodities for export.
I see.
So you can visit our Guyana shop. It's at 87 Robin Alexander Street.
Yes.
And for the other services, it's our LBI office, which is in the Gaisuku compound,
Yes.
LBI on the east coast of Pepper.
Wonderful. Any social media handles to share?
Yes, you can get us on Facebook at the Guyana Marketing Corporation and Guyana Shop.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Amarissa. This was very informative, and it's lovely to see that Guyana is putting out the packaging is comparable to the international standards.
Yes.
It's attractive and it's informative, and it really takes the branding to a new level. And I
Yes,
really
it does.
appreciate the opportunity to share this with the diaspora, so the Guyanese
Thank you for
outside of
your
Guyana. Yeah.
interview and your
Awesome.
coverage.
Thank you so very much. All right.